Hello and welcome to Meg's Inspirational Corner. How are you doing this wonderful Sunday afternoon with the sun shining? Hope you are doing very well wherever you are. If you are new to the channel, thank you for subscribing and God bless you. Well, as the sun has started popping out and we're all looking forward to a wonderful summer, I thought I'll show you how I make a very simple fruit punch. Yeah, you heard me right, a very friendly, healthy fruit punch. You can have that with your picnic this summer. So what I've got here, with this fruit punch, you can use any juicy fruits that you have. So today I've got my strawberries, which is washed, and I've just diced them into smaller sizes. And I've also got an orange, so you can see that, an orange. And what I've got as well is some Sprite and also some pineapple juice. Yeah, this is very simple to make. So what I do is I'll just pour some of this Sprite into the bottle or into your container. I'm not measuring, so I'm just using my eyes to gauge it. Just need a bit. Yeah, so that will do. And then you add a bit of your pineapple juice. You can have different fruits in it, but I prefer these ones because they are sweet. And also I don't have to add any sugar because to me it's all these two juices are already sweet enough. So like I said, it's healthy one, so I don't want to use sugar. Some people you still add in sugar, but I don't want to add sugar. And then so it's very simple. Then in goes, so I've got the Sprite and then the pineapple juice mixed together, and then in goes my strawberries. Yeah, and then you just add the strawberries. Yes, some has to fall. Yeah, and then you just add the orange, the diced orange as well. That's it. You just give it a bit of mix. If you have some ice cubes, you can add them into it. With me it's a bit cold enough, so I don't need any ice cubes in it. Keep it tight. That's it. That's as simple as that. Then you help yourself. There you go. That's it. That is all done. That's your fruit punch. It's ready. You can put some of the fruits inside if you want. Yeah, it's all done. Very shabo, fast one, fruit punch. Why not go and try some and sit in the garden or sit in the sun and enjoy it? Once again, thank you very much for watching my channel, and kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Cheers. Go on, have a try and enjoy. Thank you for watching.